Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock and choose alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to select one of those options: once, weekdays or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and choose save to save them. Now you need to click on snooze over here and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also disable it completely by clicking on this switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to enable or disable alarm vibrations. Then click on label your alarm however you wish to, click on OK, and finally tap on alarm tone. Now you can pick one of those melodies by choosing the best one for you and tapping on OK. But you can also choose alarm tone, select local music and pick music from your device by clicking on it and choosing OK as well. To save your alarm, you need to choose this checkmark at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you want to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it, select delete icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to adjust more alarm settings, just click on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!